Hello, my name is Ryan Cluft and I'm with Leading Providers. We are a marketing and information services firm. Our firm was founded in 2004 and our mission is to empower consumer choice by identifying leading professional services companies. To achieve our mission and to provide value for both consumers and businesses, we research and evaluate thousands of service providers each and every year. Those service providers that we believe stand out among their peers have the opportunity to complete our rigorous certification process, which includes an in-depth company interview, public records checks, client reference calls, and benchmark analyses. We group our research efforts into consumer-facing and business-facing categories, and we recently completed an evaluation of wealth management firms in the United States. Wealth managers provide an integral service in helping consumers manage their financial lives. Today, there are more than 27,000 SEC-registered investment advisors throughout the United States, and this number is likely to continue to grow as more baby boomers retire and need wealth management services. This brief video highlights Stearns Financial Services Group, one of the firms in the wealth management industry that successfully completed the leading provider certification process and that we believe stands out among its peers. Please note that this presentation represents our opinions only and should not be construed as an endorsement of Stearns Financial Services Group or as a testimonial for the firm. If you're considering Stearns Financial Services Group, we recommend that you conduct your own due diligence on the firm. Stearns Financial Services Group is based in Greensboro, North Carolina. SFSG was founded in 1991, and its founder, Dennis Stearns, has more than 30 years of industry experience in the financial services sector. The Financial Planning Association has called him one of the leading futurists in the financial planning industry. They have 7 professionals with over 80 years of combined experience, and the firm and its professionals have won numerous awards in their industry. SFSG is a fee-only wealth management firm and investment advisor. The firm is registered as an investment advisor with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The firm serves more than 350 clients throughout the United States and Canada and manages approximately $350 million in client assets. The firm's clients include high net worth individuals, families, and business owners. The firm has embraced the fee-only model to try to eliminate the lack of alignment between client interests and firm interests, a problem that is common in the wealth management industry. For example, in many wealth management firms, investment advisors are pressured or incentivized to sell specific products or securities to earn higher fees or commissions for themselves or the firm. SFSG's fee-only model more closely aligns the interests of the client with the firm, since SFSG is not incentivized to sell higher commission products or securities. The services that SFSG provides to its clients include financial planning. The firm can develop a financial independence roadmap for its clients, including retirement asset sufficiency, estate planning, risk management, insurance and charitable giving, all with an eye towards ensuring that the financial plan is a living plan that is constantly updated to address changing situations. SFSG utilizes extensive scenario analysis in their financial planning services for their clients, and has published numerous articles in respected newspapers and journals on the benefits of forward-looking scenario planning. Investment management. The firm can create an investment strategy to address each client's personal needs while taking into account each client's unique risk profile. The firm has extensive research capabilities, both with 3 internal chartered financial analysts and external research partnerships. Wealth management. The firm also provides an integrated financial planning and investment management solution to those clients that want a more extensive service offering. Business planning. For those clients who are entrepreneurs, SFSG can help objectively evaluate business goals and priorities while keeping in mind the financial goals of the entrepreneur and his or her family. The firm has helped many business owners with preparing the business for the sale or transferring the business to the next generation. And finally, SFSG has substantial experience and expertise in working with women in various stages of transition and has also designed specific programs for women, including Navigating Wealth and the Women's Wealth Institute, which were created to help women in various stages of their lives take more control over their financial future. The firm has advisors with specialized training in helping women who have lost their spouse, have a spouse who's experiencing Alzheimer's or dementia symptoms, are dealing with a past or current divorce, or need help with a variety of life transitions. Now that we have briefly discussed SFSG's focus and service offerings, there are a few things that I want to highlight that make SFSG unique in the wealth management arena. First, as I mentioned earlier, SFSG is a fee-only firm. We estimate that less than 10% of the wealth management firms in the industry are fee-only. For the reasons described earlier, fee-only firms are generally better aligned with the interests of their clients and are not pressured to sell specific products or securities. As a client, this can be very important to you since you want your financial advisor to make objective recommendations with regards to your investment portfolio, rather than to simply try to sell you the highest commission product. Even so-called fee-based advisors often have hidden forms of compensation that may taint their advice. Another distinct difference between SFSG and many of the firms in the industry is that the principals of SFSG have extensive training, experience, and industry education compared to many of their peers. For example, every professional advisor with the firm has either a certified financial planner, chartered financial analyst, or certified public accountant designation, and many hold master's degrees in finance, accounting, and business administration. Moreover, 5 advisors have at least one additional designation. Many of the advisors have advanced training in investment management and estate planning, and several have advanced training in helping women in various life transitions, including a registered financial gerontologist and a chartered financial divorce analyst. An important distinction is that the firm's professionals are regularly asked to lead or participate in best practices workshops or conferences for organizations such as the Financial Planning Association, the American Association of Individual Investors, and the National Association of Personal Financial Advisors. While the aforementioned designations and best practices leadership are not a guarantee of quality, they do demonstrate that the principals of SFSG are highly regarded in their industry and committed to educating themselves about wealth management as much as possible, which is not necessarily the case with all firms. SFSG is one of the larger fee-only firms in the Southeast across several quantitative metrics that we evaluate, including the amount of money under management, as well as the amount managed per client. While these metrics are certainly not the only metrics by which an existing or prospective client should evaluate a wealth management firm, they can be useful in determining how successful a firm is. SFSG has been in existence for nearly 20 years, and while past performance is no guarantee of future success, compared to many of its peers, SFSG has been successful in attracting substantial client assets and maintaining a very high client retention rate, which are potential indicators of the firm's success. And finally, SFSG and its professionals are regularly quoted in regional and national publications, including the New York Times, Investor's Business Daily, the Wall Street Journal, Kiplinger's Finance, the Triad Business Journal, and the Journal of Financial Planning. I want to thank you for taking the time to learn more about leading providers and about Stearns Financial Services Group. If you have any questions or need more information about us, please visit our website at www.leadingproviders.com or call us at 415-892-9400. If you have any questions or need more information about Stearns Financial Services Group, please feel free to contact them at www.sfsg.net or call them at 336-230-1811. A brief disclaimer follows.